Have you ever seen a waterfall underwater? Or stones that seem to move on their own? Today, we're diving into a world where nature's wonders defy logic and ignite curiosity. From the eerie serenades of ringing rocks to the fiery secrets hidden behind waterfalls, we'll uncover the most mind-boggling natural phenomena on Earth. Get ready for a journey that will leave you questioning reality and marveling at the mysteries of our planet. Imagine an illusion so perfect it looks like a waterfall flowing beneath the ocean's surface. Off the coast of Mauritius, this optical marvel is created by sand and silt deposits flowing into a deep ocean shelf. It's not a true waterfall, but the effect is so stunning it can fool even the most seasoned explorers. As these deposits shift and move, they craft an underwater cascade that seems too magical to be real. This wonder reminds us that sometimes, nature's simplest elements can produce the most extraordinary sights. Deep in the heart of the Amazon rainforest, there's a river that boils with extraordinary heat. Known as the Boiling River, its waters reach temperatures so high they could cook your dinner. The source of this scalding heat lies beneath the riverbed, where geothermal activity releases steam and warmth. As the water bubbles and steams, it transforms into a natural cauldron of intense heat, showcasing the raw, untamed power that lies beneath the Earth's surface. It's a fiery spectacle that captivates anyone who dares to witness it. In Pennsylvania, there's a field of rocks that sing like bells when struck. Known as Ringing Rocks Park, these mysterious stones produce a resonant ringing sound that has puzzled scientists for years. The precise reason for this unusual acoustic phenomenon remains a mystery, with theories ranging from unique mineral compositions to the rock's internal structures. Each time you strike one of these rocks, it produces a clear, bell-like tone, turning a simple walk through the park into a musical experience of nature's making. Travel to the Philippines, where you'll find a landscape that looks like it's straight out of a fantasy. The Chocolate Hills, with their 1,260 conical shapes, turn a rich brown color during the dry season, resembling giant mounds of chocolate. Formed by the erosion of limestone over thousands of years, these hills create a breathtaking sight that blends natural beauty with a hint of whimsical imagination. Their unique appearance is a testament to the wonder and artistry that nature can achieve. Journey to Death Valley, where the desert holds a moving mystery. On the dry lakebed of Racetrack Playa, stones mysteriously slide across the surface, leaving long trails behind them. This seemingly magical phenomenon is actually the result of ice, water, and wind interacting in a delicate balance. When ice forms on the lake bed, it breaks up and moves, pushing the stones along in a slow, deliberate dance. It's nature's way of blending science with a touch of mystery, creating an enchanting spectacle in the desert. In Namibia and Australia, you'll encounter perfectly round patches of bare soil surrounded by lush grass, known as fairy circles. These enigmatic formations, often called footprints of the gods, have sparked endless debate among scientists. Theories about their origin range from termite activity to gas emissions, but the true cause remains elusive. These mysterious circles captivate the imagination and invite us to ponder the unknown, showcasing nature's ability to weave intrigue into its very fabric. Imagine a waterfall with a fiery secret. In New York State, the Eternal Flame Falls reveals a small flame burning behind its cascading waters. This mesmerizing sight is created by a natural gas leak beneath the waterfall, igniting a flame that never goes out. The juxtaposition of fire and water creates a stunning visual contrast, highlighting how natural forces can come together to produce an extraordinary spectacle. It's a reminder of the hidden wonders that nature can reveal in the most unexpected places. Beneath Romania's surface lies the Movile Cave, a hidden world sealed off from the outside for over 5 million years. Inside, a unique ecosystem thrives in an atmosphere filled with toxic gases, such as hydrogen sulfide. Despite the harsh environment, microorganisms and invertebrates have adapted to survive. This isolated cave is a living example of how life can flourish in the most extreme conditions, showcasing the incredible resilience of nature's creations. Venezuela's Catatumbo region is famous for its almost nightly lightning storm, a phenomenon that lights up the sky with spectacular displays. Known as the everlasting storm, this intense lightning is caused by a unique combination of mountain winds and moist air from the Caribbean. The result is a near-constant light show that captivates all who witness it. The Catatumbo lightning is a dramatic reminder of nature's raw power and its ability to produce awe-inspiring events. Finally, visit Pamukkale in Turkey, where you'll find an otherworldly landscape of white travertine terraces. Formed by mineral-rich hot springs flowing down the mountainside, these terraces resemble an alien world. The warm, clear waters fill the terraces, creating a surreal and beautiful sight. Pamukkale's unique formations are a testament to the astonishing beauty that natural processes can create, offering a breathtaking view that feels both magical and timeless. From underwater illusions to fiery waterfalls, the Earth is full of extraordinary wonders that defy belief. Which of these incredible phenomena left you in awe? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this exploration of nature's most mysterious marvels, don't forget to subscribe and join us for more amazing discoveries. Until next time, keep exploring and marveling at the wonders of our world.